Hello guys, today we are going to discuss about this concept of load balancing versus auto scaling. So let's see what we have. Okay, so this load is being placed by the load balancer. Okay, whose hands is being displayed. Okay, so now thing is like okay, so what has happened over here is once I mean, if the donkeys are loaded with the third sack, the donkeys can die, right? So because it may get overloaded. So the donkey keeper comes and say that don't put another sack onto the existing donkeys. He's providing with another donkey. So this is the concept of the difference between load balancing and auto scaling. When you put too much load or on the existing instances of the web server or whatever server you have, and then what happens if you try to put more, then whoever gets highly loaded, it might stop working and thereby respond to the request. So basically here you need something to someone to like automatically scale up, create a new instance of the server. So for that reason, you need to have a auto scaling specifications. Usually, the auto scaling happens on the properties of the CPU utilization. Okay, if the CPU utilization is high, then for new loads, a new instance is created. So that's what. So this is we come to the end of auto scaling. Okay, thank you guys. Bye.